student. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the classification of phylum Mollusca. The phylum Mollusca is divided into 7 classes based on the type or number of their shells. Okay, um, or covering. Okay, so um, the first class, that is the class Pelicypopoda, or now it is also called as the bivalves. Okay, so bivalvia, uh, they have bilateral symmetry. Here bilaterally symmetry, in which the body can be split into two equal half, and each half will be like and the body parts are arranged in two sides of the central axis in a bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, so this phylum, this class, that is the Pelicypoda or the bivalvia, is characterized by the shell, which will be divided into two, that is the left and the right valves. Okay, two shells will be present that will cover the body. Okay, and here the body is laterally compressed and the shell consists of two valves. Hence, the name is termed as a bivalvia. Okay, and here the foot is wedge shaped, and they will be that's why the other name, that is a Pelicypoda, is because of this, that is the foot in this organism, that is bivalvia or the Pelicypoda, will be having a wedge shaped foot. Okay, thus they are termed as the Pelicypoda. Okay, and in this the true head is absent, and the mouth and anus are placed at the opposite ends. Okay, that is at the anterior and posterior side. Okay, and the mantle is here covered with the or formed of two lobes, and radula is absent. The alimentary canals is in the form of the crystalline style. Respiration is carried out by the pair of gills. They are totally marine. Okay, organism, and it is burrowing in a mud and sand. So the respiration is by the paired gills, and kidneys are paired. Sexes are separate. Here gonads are open into the mantle cavity, and the development include the trophophore larva, veliger larva, and the glochidium larva. Okay, the three larval stage, that is the trophophore larva, veliger larva, and glochidium larva. Okay, they are totally aquatic, sedentary, and burrowing in habit. Okay, the example of this is the Paphiia malvarica. The common example we eat, like Paphiia malvarica is the scientific name of the तिसऱ्यो. आम्ही तिसऱ्यो खाता पळय त्यो Paphiia malvarica. Then Miratrix lusoria, खुबे असतात ते. Okay, then Mytilus, Shinano. These are all belong to the class Pelicypoda or bivalvia. Okay, the next class is the Gastropoda. Class 2, that is a Gastropoda. Gastro means stomach and poda means foot. So this is the animal which will be moving on their stomach. Okay, hence the name is called termed as the Gastropoda. Okay, they are totally they are marine, even fresh water or the terrestrial animals. Okay, and few will be act as a parasitic form. Okay, then the body is here is unsegmented and asymmetrical. Asymmetrical म्हटलं की then the body parts are irregularly arranged around the central axis. Okay, and here this type of animal having a asymmetrical symmetry cannot divide into two equal half. Okay, then next point is here the shell is unvalved and spirally coiled. Similar like in bivalves the shells are valved, left and right side जाता. Here shells are not valved, it is spirally coiled. Okay, they will be having a distinct head which will bear tentacles, eyes, and a mouth. Okay, respiration takes place by gills as well as by the lungs. okay, because they possess of both habitat, that is a marine plus terrestrial form. Okay, and the visceral mass is turned through 180 degree by torsion. Torsion is one of the important characteristic feature of the class gastropoda. Torsionan कितें जाता, twisting of the body take place at a 180 degree. Okay, so आणि mouth आणि anus, due to the torsion, mouth and anus lies at the same end of the or same side of the body. Okay, whereas the foot is the ventral and muscular. The buccal cavity is provided with the radula, and the circulatory system is will be the open type. Okay, and the sexes are mostly separate, that is they will be for while some will form a hermaphrodite.